Good day, everyone. We are the team behind Catalog, where creative form loops. If you look at the local craft scene today, especially crochet and handmade textiles, you'll find incredible talent, but these artisans are struggling to turn their passion into a professional business. We are here to show you how Catalog is transforming traditional crafts into professional AI-enhanced digital storefronts. Let's talk about the struggles of the modern local crafter. Right now, they face three main bottlenecks. The first problem that they are encounter are the no product catalog, wherein customers have to scroll through endless Facebook or Instagram feeds just to find an item, and crafters spend hours answering how much in DMs. So the second one is limited reach. Because they rely entirely on fragmented social media groups, it's very hard to scale. And the last one is poor photography. Most crafters are artists, not photographers. Low quality, badly lit photos drastically lower the perceived value of their beautiful handmade items.
Enter Catalog, a dedicated platform where artisans can manage, enhance, and sell, bridging the gap between traditional craftsmanship and the modern digital marketplace. We provide a digital catalog where crafters can easily organize their products and share a single storefront link, but our real magic is our built-in AI image enhancement, especially tuned for yarn and textiles. Our AI can instantly fix lighting and background issues with one click, turning an amateur smartphone photo into a highly professional product listing.
Is there a demand for this? Absolutely. We surveyed 9 local crochet artisans and the responses are overwhelming. 100% of them want a catalog. 89% are willing to pay for our tools that increases their sales. And 89% are highly interested in using our AI enhancement tools. The pain point is very real and they are ready for a solutions.
Beyond surveys, we already have a real pre-launch momentum. Our website and social media channels are live to build our local community. We've also completed our visual prototypes and are actively recruiting our first pilot vendors for our version 1 launch.
Our pricing is simple in design specifically for the artisan budget, while we offer a free starter tier to get them onboarded. Our core revenue driver is Artisan Plus at just $199 a month for less than the price of iCoffee. Crafters gets up to 100 catalog items, 50 AI enhancements, and a custom domain. It makes going professional incredibly affordable.
For the market opportunity, the market for this is incredibly promising. Nationwide, there are over 1,000 independent sellers. Zooming in locally, there are about 3,000 sellers in Pangasinan alone. To prove our model, we are launching specifically in Urdaneta, targeting an initial reachable market of 300 sellers. We want to start local, perfect the system, and scale. So here's our market strategy. Phase 1 is hyperlocal outreach. We are putting our boots on the ground at Urdaneta city fairs and university events. Phase 2 will rely on highly visual before versus after AI photo campaigns on social media. Phase 3 and 4 will focus on SEO optimization for our crafter shops, eventually leading to a full mobile app launch.
So in the competition slide, against our competitors, crafters are stuck between messy social media feeds and expensive professional photographers. Catalog fills the gap in the top right quadrant, giving artisans a dedicated digital catalog combined with professional AI-powered photo quality.
Looking ahead, our financial forecast is strong as we grow from 1,000 subscribers in year 1 to 4,000 subscribers by year 3. We are targeting a revenue of 7.96 million as we expand nationwide. Catalog is built to scale alongside for our crafters. This is our team. To make this a reality, we are raising 250,000. This is funding will be allocated precisely. 45% goes to tech and AI infrastructure to cover server hosting and API credits. 40% goes directly to marketing and acquisition to onboard our first 300 active sellers. 15% cover our operation and legal setup. This investment is our ticket to finalizing version 1 and proving our market dominance locally.
We believe that traditional craft deserve modern tools. We invite you to join us in empowering local artisans and helping them form loops of creativity. Thank you for your time and we would love to answer any questions you might have.